So we're pretty up close and personal. Well, welcome back to today's video. It's going to be a quick video. I just wanted to do my Aztec mask routine. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I prep everything, but I'll show you step by step what I use. And honestly, this is one of the best masks I've used in forever. I've actually started using this 8 years now and consistently using it. Really like it. It's one of the only masks that does not irritate my skin, especially because I have really sensitive skin, which is great. But let's get into it and let me know if you've tried this mask before. Comment below if you've actually tried this mask and if you like it. So now we just wait. A couple things you may want to know. It is, you can use it for facial, obviously for your acne, body wraps, clay baths. You can foot soak. I don't know about that, but you can. But anyway, chill clay for a knee pack, etc, etc. Anyway, so just keep in mind, you do want to keep it on if you have sensitive skin. The recommended amount of time is let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Now for delicate skin, it's 15 to 20. I'm sorry, 15 to 20 is for normal skin. 5 to 10 is for delicate skin. I have very sensitive skin, but for this one, I do leave it on at least 15 to 20 minutes. And that, it doesn't irritate my skin at all. But if you notice that your skin is feeling irritated, now there's a difference with this mask. You're going to feel it tighten and you're going to feel a little bit of tingling. But that doesn't mean it's irritated. But again, keep an eye on it because everyone's skin type is different. That's why when it comes to skincare, I'm very careful what I recommend because everyone's skin type is different. A little bit of background with the products that I used. The apple cider vinegar, it's not abrasive at all for your skin. The good thing is too, it tightens your pores and also it lightens the skin. So that's a good thing if you have a lot of scarring. I do have mild scarring. A lot of it has gone away. But using this every once a week or every other week or even once a month, I limited it to like once a month instead of every other week, just because my skin's gotten a lot better. And also, too much of a good thing is also a bad thing. So if you do this every single day for a month straight, it may actually face way too much, make it too dry, and your skin will actually end up making more sebum, making more oil, and then you might end up breaking out. So everything's about a balance. So the recommended amount is twice a week or once a week, every week for 10 minutes. If you want to use it consistently. Of course, if you want to use it more, you may have to see how your skin reacts to it and how your skin starts. It's going to reduce redness and help treat age spots. So it's a good thing. So that's with the apple cider vinegar. And apple cider vinegar actually has a bunch of other great uses, even for your digestive tract, but I won't even go into that. But it's actually really good for a couple. The clay is going to help with the inflammation, the redness, the irritation of the skin, acne, and a couple other things, but that's what I use it for. So that's what you're using it for. It's going to really help you in those problem areas. And like I mentioned earlier, if you have the cystic, even after you wash it off your face, yes, your skin's going to look very nice. You're going to love the results, but the more you use it and consistently use it, you're going to see an improvement in your skin. That's what I really like it. And again, you're not going to have all those extra chemicals on your skin that you normally would have if you're trying another mask that has all those added chemicals in there. My lip feels really numb. Anyway, so you often hear people recommend different skincare products, but you also have to know what works good for your skin with this, so it's not going to irritate your skin. I've recommended this to friends before and they've hadn't had any complaints, no irritation, none of that. But again, it's always important to know your skin. If you put it on and you notice that your skin's feeling a little, irritated or a lot more than usual, then I would be very careful. And when you take it off, it's going to be a little red. Again, for about 30 minutes, you'll see that redness, but it's nothing like, oh my goodness, this is a chemical burn type of redness. I've had those before. It's not an abrasive clay mask. The apple cider vinegar would be the only thing that if you put it on, it doesn't sit well with your skin, then don't do it. I'm gonna pluck my eyebrows. So I actually get my eyebrows threaded. I used to wax them, but for some reason, every time they waxed them, they would make them extra thin. And over the years, they kept thinning them out. And I'm like, okay, I'm done with this. They look like two little stick figures. But what really made me want to stop getting them waxed, one day this girl told me that I looked like I was always mad because my eyebrows were like lifted so high up. She's like, you look like you're always mad. I'm like, I'm not. It's just the way that they shape my eyebrows when they wax them. Yeah. So don't judge people, okay? It could be their eyebrows. Don't go telling them you look like you're mad. They're not, okay? Their eyebrows just kind of look like two little stick figures. I wish I had pictures. Actually, probably do. I'm gonna look for it and see. I might insert it in this video. It was so thin. But not like, thin's not bad, but it was thin and pointy. They were really funny. Anyway, so I thread my eyebrows, and I probably only thread them once a month, and I just pluck them myself just to keep the shape. Like that, I don't have to keep going back, and I save myself money. Oh, hi, it's a win-win.